is quoting Prophet Hosea, I desire mercy, not sacrifice. I desire mercy, not sacrifice. Let us be careful in understanding this sentence. What was the original intent? When you go back to the Hebrew translation, it says something like this: I prefer mercy more than sacrifice. I think it's a better understanding. Because if we understand it the way it was proclaimed by Jesus, I desire mercy, not sacrifice, it looks like we are being asked to choose between mercy and sacrifice. Because Jesus desires mercy, not sacrifice. So, to be saved, I will choose mercy because sacrifice is not important to the Lord. No, it's not the meaning. The Lord is telling us sacrifice is okay. Sacrifice is beneficial. Sacrifice is important. Let us not forget or set aside sacrifice, offerings. They're important. But between mercy and offering, mercy is number one. Why is this a warning to us? Because it is easier to do sacrifice. It is easier to offer. It is more difficult to be merciful. Mas madali po yung mag-pilgrimage, no? Lalo na kung naka-aircon bus, no? Kaysa sa magpatawad. Kaysa sa maging maunawain. Mas madali yung magpamisa. Magpunta ka lang sa cathedral office, sabihin mo, I will offer a Thanksgiving Mass. I will offer a Mass for a sick friend. And here is 50 pesos as my donation. It's easier. Easier than going to your friend who is sick at dalawin mo. Sasabihin na lang natin, ipagpapamisa na lang kita. Wala akong time makadalo sa iyo eh. See? Sacrifice or offering sacrifice is easier. That's why some people prefer to do sacrifice and be content with doing sacrifices. Yun na lang. Mas madali iyon. Pero sa Ebanghelyo at sa Old Testament from Prophet Hosea, we are being reminded, sacrifice is okay, but do not forget mercy. Because in the eyes of the Lord, mercy is more preferable than offering. Kaya yung mga nakokontento lang sa pagnunubena, nakokontento lang sa pagrorosaryo, pero hindi naman kinakausap ang kanyang kasamahan sa opisina, no? Okay? At ayaw magpatawad, ito'y para sa iyo.
Marami dyan.
Ang ebanghelyong ito'y para sa atin na nagpapaalaala sa atin. Yes, nakakatulong ang pag-aalay, nakakatulong ang pagdarasal, pero hindi dapat natatapos doon. Ang ating pagdarasal ay dapat na umaagos patungo sa awa. Kaya yung mga tao simba ng simba, komunyon ng komunyon, linggo-linggo nasa katedral, pero hindi naman ginagawa yung utos ng pag-ibig. Mahalin mo ang iyong kapwa gaya ng pag-ibig mo sa iyong sarili, you are not performing what is required of the gospel. We are not performing what is required of the Lord. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, mas mahirap yung magpakita ng awa, pero yon ang mas mahalaga. He already passed away several years ago, and he said something like this: huwag mong itanong kung mahirap, itanong mo kung mahalaga. Kasi hindi ko naman sinasabing hindi importante ang pagnunubena. Pero kung pagnunubena lang, hindi tayo makapapasok sa langit. Ang pagnunubena, ang pilgrimages, ang pagdarasal ay dapat na samahan ng awa.
Tama.
Pag-ibig.
Correct.
Pagkakawang gawa.
Correct ka, Monsignor.
I prefer mercy more than sacrifice. Amen.
Ayun. Taken from television live from Manila Cathedral.